Hello my Whoop friends. In this video you can see this exact Whoop. It's a Betafpv Meteor 75 Pro Whoop, a little bit modified. Some holes in the canopy and in the frame to save weight, titanium motor screws to save weight, direct soldered motor cables to the board without motor plugs, AWG20 main cable, BT 2.0 main connector, and usually I fly Betafpv 45mm props, not Gemfan props. And that's about it. I have the pinch cam, tiny Whoop pinch cam in this Whoop, and a Nano VTX. If you like my work, then please consider to buy your own Betafpv 75 Pro Whoop from the affiliate link down below in the video description to support my work. Thank you in advance and happy flying, my friends.